think of nice things. What kind of nice things do you ask? Well, let me see. Night lights and scent packs. Wax in my warmers, bath smoothies and mittens. Scentsy Fresh kills the odor of my stinky kitten. Seriously, I'm addicted to my new counter clean. These are a few of my favorite things. 16 LED lights in my new diffuser. Never thought that I'd be an essential oil user. Laundry day now makes me want to break out and sing. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream for my hands and soap for my dishes. Buddy clips and buddies, they smell so delicious. You can have Scentsy wherever you are. They even make a bar for your car. When my husband stinks up the bathroom, all I've got to say is thank you, dear God, for my Scentsy room spray. Yes, thanks to all of my favorite things, my life doesn't smell